go get some fuel, refuel. I haven't put fuel in this car in a little time. Normally I put fuel in like every day or other day. I still haven't figured out or watched the video about adjusting the level of the throttle. I need just to click it up. I'm so tempted very soon to get some spark plugs, NJKs and GKs, and replace it. I haven't done a tune-up, and maybe that's what the car is calling for. We never know. How much is gas in your neck of woods? It's $3.93. I don't know if it's going to drop any lower. It could drop to $3.89. I bet you it's going to drop to $3.69. But Labor Day's coming, and I know that gas is going to go up. Whoa, 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 whoa! This video's a month later. Nah, Labor Day's coming up. $3.93. Don't you just love when GoPro is set to 60 hertz and we flicker? You just can't get rid of them. They're like the gnats, man. The days of filling up your tank 8 gallons or more, getting a free gift, are way, way, way over. Remember the green stamps? Oh, those were the days, man. You used to get so many green stamps. Wait a second. They offer you credit off of cash or points off of the credit card. So they are giving you something if you have their credit card. But everyday cash and credit, you're not going to get anything anymore. I hope you enjoyed the fill-up video, and I hope you all have a great Labor Day coming up.